In my last couple of videos, I've showed you specific applications running inside non-Windows operating systems. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got those applications installed on the devices that I did the demos on. So this particular device is a Chromebook. So how do I install native Windows applications onto a Chromebook? So let's have a look. So I'm currently logged in as an administrator. The only functionality that I have is I can launch applications. So as an example, Internet Explorer 10 on my Chromebook, all I can do is launch it. When I launch it, it opens, same as I'd expect if it was on a Windows device. So how did I get that application working? How did I get it into the container? And what are the process? So let's log in as an administrator, because the only functionalities I say that I have is I can launch the apps. Log in as an administrator, and once the password has been accepted, the two main changes. I now have an additional, once logged in, I now can edit the app or tile, or I can completely remove it. The other functionality I have is I can add an app. So before I add an app or add a tile, I need to actually install the media. So get the install media, download it, or if you've got it in USB or whatever format you've got, get that storage media and transfer it into the container. And what are your options for doing that? Option number one, depending on the size of the file, by default, when you purchase Droplet Computing, you have a container file share. So a share file that is built inside the container. And when you install Droplet Computing, again, by default, it creates a synced file share on your device. So let's just show you that. So on the device, first of all, because it's a Chromebook I'm on, it's opening up a Chrome browser window, and it's showing me which files are in that share file. If I now go to the container file share, it's going to open up the container and show me where those same files are. And basically any file I put in here or on the device will automatically sync across. But these are predominantly for smallish files. What if you have a large file? So what I've done with my large files is I went out and I've bought myself a NAS drive, and I've mapped that NAS drive to the container by simply clicking map network driving and through the standard procedures you would normally do on a Windows device. I also have in my Google Chrome, I have a Google account that I set up specifically for my Droplet related projects. And with that, I also have all the apps that come with, and the suite that comes with Google, in particular Google Drive. So if I click on my Google Drive, you'll see that I have a number of different applications inside, and in particular Google Drive for PC, okay, which is quite relevant, because what I did was, and you'll see here, I installed Google Drive for PC inside the container. I then logged in to my Google account and synced both my Google Drive to my container. I can now save my files to this Google Drive, or I can use it to transfer large files. So I'm going to install one of the apps that's in here. There's the Internet Explorer that I just showed you. I'm going to install Java into my Google Chromebook. Prove to you first and foremost that I don't have Java installed right now is, let's go into Program Files. If I had Java, there'd be a Java file right here. So let's go back into Google Drive and simply double click, and then it's a case of install, and it starts installing. It takes seconds to install Java, and once it's installed, as you'd expect on a standard PC, it's going to do a quick check to make sure that it's done correctly, and it has. So I now have Java installed inside my container to complement my Internet Explorer 10 browser that I created. Okay, so Let's go back into program files, and there is Java. As always, I hope you found this video of benefit, and if you did like the video, please hit the like button. Thanks very much for watching.